Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash first impressions of an order that I placed on BlueStreak crystals for some Preciosa stones. So if you're interested in that, then please stay tuned. Okay, so a bit of background. Back in October of 2021, I believe it came out that Swarovski crystals were not going to be selling to mass markets, I believe. I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background. Somehow they decided now while I'm filming to take out the trash. I apologize, but getting back to what I was saying. They decided not to sell to, I guess, the masses, and now you have to be licensed in order to get Swarovskis. I believe that's the case. So I did some research, and apparently a good alternative were Preciosa crystals, and I have seen some other YouTubers that I follow use them, and they are very pretty. So I finally decided to put in an order and get my first batch of colors to start my collection. So what I got first from BlueStreak crystals was, this is supposed to be their pamphlet. Let me zoom you in a little bit. You can see they have all the different, now I think I got the wrong one, to be honest. I said I wanted just like the color chart, and this is Shanton Rose Maxima. So I don't know if that's the same as the flatback crystals, because that's all I really wanted. I don't know if that's their specific name. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comments down below. So this gives you, let's see if I can zoom you in a little bit more, and there's a glare. So it tells you the colors and then what the colors look like coated in AB, and it has all the different ones that they offer. And some of these are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really into the opals, especially if you saw my last video. I'll put a card up there somewhere to my Cinderella Disney bound. These opals would have definitely come in handy. Honestly, this whole row would have made for a really nice crystal placement colors. And then down here they have the different coatings, and then you have your effects. These are more the neons. I'm not really into neon crystals, so I'll probably skip these, but this is definitely a very good track for buying all the different crystals. I do believe on the site they said this was an older version. This was the 2021 and the 2022 was in production, but I'm a little impatient, and this will do just fine just for me to keep track, see physically how the colors look, which is really good. And then I could be like, okay, I want this one, or I want that one, or and so on and so forth. So that is that piece. And now on to the main event. But before I get into that, I just want to let you know that this actually cost $14.96. I don't know if I'm saying that right. How do you say cents in the UK? But it was about £15 for this. BlueStreak is a UK company, so a lot of their prices are in pounds. So for approximately 123 pounds, you can get this kit. So they have several different kits and several different themes. I got the rainbow themed, and what it comes with is 9 colors in, let me see if I get this right. So you have 9 colors in 4 sizes, which is 36, and then they give you this case to store everything in. Okay, first things first. Let's just go through it, the pros, the cons, and everything. So you get this case, and quite frankly, this case is a little on the cheaper side. You get 36 pots, and I just took this one out because I did a test run with something. I'll tell you my thoughts a little bit later on in the video. So each of these is supposed to hold your different crystals. Now, when you get the crystals, they come in baggies like this. So you get 9 of them. I already put the amethyst in because, like I said, I was testing out something on how I wanted to store the crystals. So you get amethyst, aquamarine. This is citrine. Then you get hyacinth, I believe this is called. Hyacinth. Then you get light cyan. I'm going to do a close-up of all of these when I unpack them. Peridot. Rose, which is this pretty pink. Sapphire. And topaz. So those are all the colors that you get. Within each of these colors, you are going to get 100 pieces each of SS6, SS8, SS10, and SS12. I will also go through that a little bit later when I unbox one of these. So you can just do it in here. Now, they give you a container for each of the sizes, right? I did a test and I actually fit all the sizes into this one. So these are all amethyst. I already know when I put in another order, I already know straight off the bat, I'm also going to get SS4s. I like really tiny crystals, so I know I'm going on my next order or wherever I order from these crystals, I'm going to get SS4s in all of them. So if you want to save space, which is what I plan on doing with this, now that I know all 4 sizes fit into one little jar like this, this is going to be what I use for all my Preciosa crystals. I'm going to combine all of them together. I do find that the sizes are good. Like I said, I would just add in an SS4. So you get SS6 to SS12 in 2 increments. So again, that's SS6, SS8, SS10, and SS12 in each of the colors. I think it's a pretty good deal if you learn how to store it properly. So you can put all the different colors right in here. And if you're someone who likes to combine sizes, which for me, I've noticed I actually like to combine my sizes together. It's just easier for storage as well as putting together placements. And putting back crystals also too for cleanup. I feel like it's a lot better. Keep them all together and then you have a bunch of containers and they can all be held in here. Next, we'll go through the different colors up close. First up, we have amethyst, this deep, rich purple. And that's how it looks up in the pot. Listen to my grammar. I'm going to use amethyst to show you how they come packaged. So each one within the Ziploc. So this is your SS6, SS8, SS10, and SS12. They all come in these little individual packages. And I'm just going to simply cut the top and shake it down. And then cut, and ooh, let me take the top off. Ooh, there's one more left. Just want to show you the color. I should have just poured it in here if I was going to show you the color. And that's how aquamarine looks. It's a really pretty blue. Next up, we have citrine. And I can already tell while I'm depotting these that, yeah, this sparkle is like none other. You can definitely tell the difference. Next up, we have hyacinth. This gorgeous, fiery orange. This is like the orangiest orange crystal I've ever seen. I don't even know if that made sense. absolutely gorgeous. Light cyan, this gorgeous red. Red's my favorite color, so this is definitely a fave. This would have been really pretty with the St. Patrick's Day nails that I did on my channel. Also, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are already at 30 subscribers, 20 more to get to 50, and I actually want to do a giveaway. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already. Join the Glamour Siren gang, and let's just have fun creating on this channel. A bit of rose. Oh, these are gorgeous. This is sapphire. Look at that. They even twinkle different. They really do. Oh. Last but certainly not least, we have topaz. Absolutely gorgeous yellow. A nice golden yellow. On to final thoughts. Am I happy with my purchase? All in all, yes, this is a great purchase and great investment if you want to start your Preciosa crystals. I am slightly picky. Like I said, the only downside is the quality of this case, but as you can see, I put all of them in there and we still have all of this room to expand our collection. So like I said, all in all, I do think it's worth the money. I do also think it's great to have the chart. I am happy with my purchase. I will be using these stones relatively soon in my next video, so please be on the lookout for that. If you've watched all the way through, thank you. I just ask that you like, comment, and subscribe and get the notifications, and join me next time on my channel. Bye.